Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to share Google Drive files or folders with a link. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps in this video. The first step is to open Google Chrome, then open Google Drive. Follow the steps in this video so that the Google Drive link you share can be seen and edited by other people. Okay guys, that's how to share Google Drive links. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.